Hey there, I'm Jonathan Peele with Coastline Insurance Associates of NC Incorporated. Today I'm sitting here with Kabir Mahadeva of Alpha Mortgage, and just wanted to ask Kabir a couple of questions regarding the mortgage industry itself. Now Kabir, like I said, you're with Alpha Mortgage. Why do you think people should use a local mortgage banker instead of a large big bank?
Well, I think the medical analogy that I would use, if you would allow me that, is would you let your general practitioner perform brain surgery? I don't think so. Similarly, a bank has very generic and general services, whereas we're specialists. We just do mortgages, and that's what we do every single day. So we have complete control of the loan process. We know where everything is happening all the time. We have access to the best loan products, and we are focused on mortgage banking, mortgage lending. That's what we do.
Great. Well, I know you pride yourself on being a local lender. What is the benefit of someone using a local banker?
In a word, it's accountability. We're your neighbors. We're going to run into you at the grocery store, in a restaurant, on the street, and we want to be able to be part of your family of trusted advisors. In addition to that, we use local experienced appraisers as opposed to contracting out the appraisals to a large company somewhere. So the appraisers we use focus on your market, know the property values, can give you realistic and accurate appraisals. And third, we're a local small business and part of the community. So we give back to our community directly as a local small business.
Those are all very important points. Also, I'd like to ask you, in your opinion, what do you see happening with interest rates?
Well, Jonathan, that's the age-old question, and to be quite honest with you, we are unable to really predict this. We know certain things that happen in the economy that cause interest rates to go up, and there are other things that cause them to go down. Since November, where we had the lowest rates ever, around 4%, rates have risen to around 5%. Here are some things you can look at, though, to predict interest rates. If inflation is going up, you'll see interest rates go up. If we continue in a recession or have another recession, you'll probably see interest rates go down. But in general, I think you should always be focusing not just on the interest rate, but on the total cost of the loan and how it fits into your overall financial picture.
And if you guys are like me, you're hearing a lot of news channels and economists talk about refinancing your home loan, adjustable rate mortgages. Kabir, when does it make sense to refinance your mortgage?
Jonathan, that's an excellent question. Frankly, it varies from person to person, and you really need somebody like me to look at your situation, analyze it, and make sure that a refinance makes sense. It depends on the objectives. Are you trying to free up cash flow for other investments? Are you looking to put money aside towards retirement? And in general, I like to see that you get a payback from your refinancing within 2 years or less from better cash flow or freed up cash or reduced debt. If you can't, you don't want to really apply a rule of thumb of dropping the interest rate by 1% or whatever. It really depends on your individual situation, and my job is to help you understand whether or not it makes financial sense to do so, and only do a refinance if it makes financial sense.
That was very useful information. Thank you for sitting here today with us and sharing your knowledge.